Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will easily show you how you can actually transform the notebook LM slide and convert it to, let's say, slide or PowerPoint presentation, like all the things. So right now I have the mechanics of the dopamine, and I'm going to show you how the whole process actually works. So how it works is that you have to first download it. So let's go with me and download the PDF file, okay? So we have it right now as a PDF file, and what I'm going to now in our we're gonna go presentation right here in Canva. You want to open Canva, right? And then what you're gonna do is that you're just gonna take it and paste it into your Canva. Maybe what is going to happen is not going to paste me here, so we have to go and paste it like here. We are going to see in a second. So you can come here, and now we just like edited the uploads, and we see right here. And look at that. Let me show you. Apply 14 pages. Look at that. So now, as you can see, we have our own it here in Canva. But what we're gonna do now? So when you're gonna click here on upload, you're gonna edit right here, upload files, or you just like transferring from downloaded files. Then the PDF will actually like appear under the kind of like the design right here and apply to all pages. Now when you're gonna have it and apply it for all pages, what you're gonna do then is that go to element, okay, and now go rectangle. Okay, we have the shape of rectangle, and add like the rectangle over the kind of like the text you want to like change, like this one. Then you're gonna just like change the color here. See? And then you're gonna add a text here. So you're gonna add a new text block, for example. And you just like write here the text. So you're gonna have the PowerPoint presentation, but if you want to like change the text and everything, you can do it directly in Canva this way. So I can add it right here. And you can even like take the text, screenshot it, and if you want to like change it or something, you can ask like ChatGPT to give you the kind of like the text, or Claude or Gemini, and then you're gonna be right here, and you're just gonna write here, okay, this is text, and you can just literally just like edit all the slides if it makes sense. I hope so. So this is how we're gonna do it. Now, another thing what you can do is, this is primarily for the kind of like the more advanced, if you can paying for the pro version, you can come here to edit, and right here you're gonna have editing text. So what you're gonna do is that you can find here the grab text, and when you're gonna find the grab text here, okay, and you can take it, and we're just going to like grab the text. And look at that. So now we have all the text. So what I can do, I can grab it, and then you can edit it. But this is possible only for the pro version, right? And look at that. Right? Look at that. Insane. See? So you can actually like edit the text if you want to with the edit and also the grab text. So something to be aware of. Now to actually like transform it or like convert it to PowerPoint, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go to top right and share, and then you're gonna have like download here, and you have the option to edit and download it as a microphone PowerPoint document. Do you see that? So that's something you can do. And what you're gonna do is that when you're gonna download it as a PowerPoint document, I'm right now downloading it, I can come here to Google Slides. Okay, I'm in Google Slides right now, and I'm going to, let's say I will just sign in here. Okay, and now we got it. So what you're gonna do is they're gonna go file, and we're gonna go open, we're gonna go upload, and I'm just going to paste it. and we're just gonna wait until it's going to happen. And voila, here we got it. So this is how it's done, and this is how we can actually like work with it. So I hope this video provided you value and on how the whole process works. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.